4177 Acadia Place in Salt Creek Heights. This is a nice 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home built in 2019, currently listed with the Massey team. Bedroom number 1. Beautiful full bath with tile. And bedroom number 2 with a view out to the west. Into bedroom number 3. Little peek of Mount Shasta out there to the north. New construction across the street. Laundry room. Leading out to a nice 3-car finished garage. On-demand hot water heater. Opens up into your nice kitchen, large island, beautiful backsplash behind these gorgeous mahogany cabinets. Pantry, oven, microwave, stainless. Out to your dining area with a covered porch, the backyard, fully landscaped. Great living room, wonderful tray ceiling, gas fireplace. Once again, views out to backyard. And oh, I love about this is it's a nice large split floor plan with your master being on the other side of the house, slider again out to the backyard. Great master suite with a beautiful bathroom, double vanities, shower, tile, rain glass for privacy. Back to the bedroom, and then this wonderful walk-in closet. Ton of storage here, folks. Thank you for joining me with this wonderful house listed at $625,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1957 square feet, built in 2019, currently listed at $625,000.